Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So it's me, Shabree. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, I film health, beauty, and lifestyle videos. Right now I've been focusing quite a bit on keto because I am doing a keto lifestyle or keto journey type of thing. In this video, I'm actually going to show you guys how I create my keto-friendly strawberry lemonade. This recipe is going to be more so for those of you who are following a lazy keto, low carb, dirty keto type of journey. If you're doing strict keto, this is not a recipe that I would recommend you indulging in. You can definitely try it out, but it's not something you're going to want to overindulge in because I am using a monk fruit sweetener as well as quite a bit of strawberries in this recipe. Still again keto friendly, but not too friendly if you are following a strict keto regimen. If you guys want to see how I create my keto friendly strawberry lemonade, definitely stay tuned to this video. First thing first, this recipe calls for a total of 1.5 cups of fresh squeezed lemon juice. I have a lemon juicer here that I picked up from Target. So I'm going to go ahead and basically cut in half some room temperature lemons and then juice them until I get my 1.5 cups. Actually, before I do this, I'm going to rinse my lemons off because I don't want any debris or anything on them. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the lemons off. Okay, so my lemons are all rinsed off. I'm gonna go ahead again and just roll one of the lemons that have already been sitting out. So they are room temperature right now. I like to roll them because that helps to get the juices to flowing. I'm going to go ahead and cut the lemon in half and then just start to juice until I get my 1.5 cups of fresh squeezed lemon juice. What I'm going to do is just store my lemon juice in this lemonade slushy cup that I have left over. So I just poured that into the cup. And as you guys can see, when juicing your lemon, you will get a lot of pulp. So you can just clean that off and keep on juicing until you get your full 1.5 cups. So I used the total of about 8 lemons for my 1.5 cups of fresh squeezed lemon juice. I have 1 lemon remaining, so I'm going to go ahead and slice that up. Set this to the side. The next thing you're going to want to do is to gather 1.5 cups of strawberries that are sliced. So once you have your strawberries clean, cut in half, you're going to want to go ahead to puree these.